Hi, this is Anita with AJ Farms, and we're our Homestead Evolution on YouTube. We're here with Farmer Brad.
Hello.
Tell us what you do.
So I'm out of East Central Indiana, and I raise pasture poultry for the local farmers market, and then I also make an automatic chicken water bucket. So you hook it up to the garden hose and it refills automatically, saves time, and makes doing chores a lot easier.
Right. Do you have a bucket that you can show us how that works?
Yes, here's one. So basically you hook it up to the garden hose with this garden hose adapter, and then there is a float valve inside, similar to the back of your toilet float, and it refills automatically. So when the water gets low, it starts filling it up. When it gets to the top, it stops. And then the chickens are able to peck on the horizontal water nipples on the side. And one benefit with the side water nipples is that you can sit it on a cinder block, or you can hang the bucket up with a rope to adjust the height as your chickens grow.
Sounds like an excellent product, and we are going to use this product. We're going to run some meat chickens this year. We're going to test it out. We'll give you a review, but from the reviews that I have heard, it's an excellent system.
Yeah.
Thank you, Brad.
No problem. It basically started out, so my day job, I'm a web developer, and I work 40 hours a week, and I don't have a lot of time, so I figured out what things worked well together and put it out there, because when I started out on Amazon, they had 5-gallon buckets that didn't refill automatically, and I'm like, it doesn't need to be 5 gallons if it refills. Plus a 2-gallon bucket's pretty easy to ship anywhere in the United States.
We hosted Brad for the Homesteaders of America Conference. He had a booth, and his presence there was amazing. He had a lot of people through his booth. You did pretty good sales.
Yeah.
Look on his YouTube channel, which is Farmer Brad.
Yep.
And he has put up a video where he has changed a sow the land water bucket into a chicken bucket.
And I learned a lot about quail while being here. I had never really been around quail, and the cages that they make with the startup, it just really is very tempting.
Oh yeah, I mean,
tempting.
We sold out. Had a lot of people wanting to know if I'm going to ship. I am looking into that, so just keep an eye on my website. So right now, making them is just trying to make them more collapsible but easier to expand, so going to be working on that. It's a good problem to have. Going to be picking his brain for help. So but yeah, definitely hit like, hit subscribe, join people's channels. It was a great conference. If you didn't make it this year, please try to make it next year. You will have an amazing time. You'll meet a lot of good people, and it's like family. It's like a big family reunion, so hope to see you next year.